Oh, Kenya is very powerful. Kenya, they use microphone.
I would like to say everybody,
Ik wil graag iedereen zeggen
the Lord saw everything, that's everything.
dat de Heer alles zag.
And I am afraid of mighty prophets of the
So
Lord.
what has happened?
En ik
What
heb
happened to you?
Wat is er gebeurd?
What has
Co sa
happened?
stalo?
Wat is er gebeurd?
Že Pán videl, the Lord saw my mind.
De
Čo sa
Heer
ti
zag
stalo?
mijn
Čo
gedachten.
sa ti stalo?
Videla som, ako ma Pán
I
oslobodoval.
saw the Lord help me and make me freedom.
A som tu znova.
Free me from the sin.
Som tu
I am
znova.
here again.
Kebyže sem neprídem, tak idem rovno do pekla.
If I would not come here, I am going straight to hell.
A musím povedať,
And so what has happened to you down
What,
here?
čo sa stalo dnes? Čo sa ti stalo dnes? Hovor.
dneska, čo sa mi stalo,
Čo si cítila tu na zemi?
prítomnosť Pána, ako
I
ma...
felt the presence of the Lord.
Obrovskú prítomnosť Pána.
I felt very tremendous presence of the Lord.
And what happened to you?
What happens to? Čo sa stalo?
Ako ma Pán vyháňal zo mňa démona.
I felt that the Lord chased out from me demons.
He chased out
I
demons
felt,
from you.
yes.
Hallelujah!
So you are free now. Thank you, thank you. Thank you,
She is
thank
very
you,
sorry.
thank you.
Dank u.
Thank you.
Hallelujah!
You felt the Lord chasing away demons from you.
U voelde dat de
Cítila si,
Heer
že
de
démon
demonen
vyháňa
uit
démonov pred
joeg.
teba?
Áno, áno,
Yes, please.
vyháňal
Yes,
démona
please,
zo
I
mňa.
felt.
Vyháňal démonov zo mňa.
He felt.
Není
He
sranda
chased
sa
out demons from me.
Není sranda sa zahrávať s prorokmi Boha.
I am so afraid of mighty prophets of the Lord.
But I told the demons to leave you. Remember, I told them that they must leave you.
Že povedal démonom, aby ťa opustili.
Áno,
Áno?
áno, áno.
Yes, please. Yes.
Musím
Yes.
povedať pravdu
So when they
have
left you, what did you feel when they left you?
Čo si cítila, keď démon ťa opustil?
You are right. This is very serious.
Čo si cítila, keď démon ťa opustil?
Neviem, taký zvláštny pocit.
I have some strange feel.
To sa nedá
when the
opísať.
demons, I cannot describe it.
Yeah.
Odpustíte mi?
Will you forgive me, please?
No. It's well, my daughter.
She's asking.
It is well. It is well.
Thank you very
to
much.
Thank you so much, my daughter.
My Lord!
My Lord!
My Lord!
Look.